Welcome to our English channel. We aim to make everyone enjoy their English learning journey. Join us to improve your listening and speaking skills and learn easy and useful phrases for everyday life. So enjoy your time on your English learning journey. In today's story, Sarah will share with us her daily life. Listen carefully. My daily routine, my friends, it's Sarah. Last time I shared my adventurous journey with you. Today I'm going to take you on a journey through my daily routine. To start my day, I wake up to the sound of birds chirping outside my window. I extend my arms and take a moment to appreciate the new day that awaits me. Then I head to the kitchen to make myself a hearty breakfast. I usually opt for oatmeal with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey. It's the perfect fuel to start my day. After breakfast, I like to take a pleasant walk in the neighborhood park. The morning breeze on my face and the sight of colorful flowers in bloom instantly lifts my mood. It's a peaceful start to the day that sets a positive tone. Once I return home, I devote some time to my passion for drawing. I set up the easel next to a window, allowing natural light to illuminate my workspace. With a palette of vibrant colors at my fingertips, I immerse myself in the creative process, letting my imagination flow onto the canvas. After a satisfying drawing session, it's time for lunch. I prepare a simple but delicious salad with a variety of fresh vegetables from my garden. Eating healthy not only nourishes my body, but also boosts my energy levels for the rest of the day. In the afternoon, I attend yoga classes at a local studio. Gentle stretching and calming breathing exercises help me relax and relieve stress that has built up throughout the day. It is my sacred time to connect with my inner self and find balance in the hustle and bustle of life. As the evening approaches, I enjoy some leisure reading before dinner. Enjoying a captivating book transports me to different worlds and broadens my perspective. It's a delightful escape from reality, even if only for a short time. For dinner, I try out new recipes in the kitchen. Cooking has always been a therapeutic activity for me, allowing me to express my creativity while nourishing my loved ones. Tonight, I'm making a delicious pasta dish filled with fresh herbs and vegetables, served alongside garlic bread. After dinner, I relax with a warm cup of herbal tea and listen to some soothing music in the background. It's a moment of quiet reflection where I express gratitude for the day's experiences and set intentions for the next day. Before bed, I do a skincare routine to pamper my skin. I cleanse, moisturize, and apply a soothing face mask, allowing my skin to replenish overnight. Then I put on my comfy pajamas and tuck myself into bed, ready to drift off into a peaceful slumber. Here, my friends, is a glimpse into my daily routine of creativity, mindfulness, and nutrition. I hope this inspires you to create your own rituals that bring happiness and fulfillment to your life. Well done on your listening practice.